Hello students, hope you all are enjoying reading books. This video is in the continuation of the chapter Matilda Can Do Magic, which is the 7th chapter of your Gulmohar English Literature book. In my first two videos, I have explained you this chapter till paragraph number 33. Today, I am going to explain you the remaining part of the chapter. And at last, we will have some discussions of the exercises. So without wasting much time, let's begin. So till now, we saw that Miss Honey, who was the class teacher of Matilda, wanted Matilda to repeat the same act which she did in the classroom in front of Miss Trunchbull again, and she asked her to do it again because she thought that it's just an imagination of a child, and she wanted to put an end to that matter as gently as possible. So Matilda also agreed to do that act again, but she was not sure that she will be able to do it or not. So Miss Honey moved the empty glass to the middle of the table, and she asked her that should she put water in that. Matilda said, I don't think it matters, and Miss Honey requested her to go ahead and do it. So at that time, Matilda was sitting in the next row, about 10 feet away from Miss Honey, and she put her elbows in the desk and cupped her face in her hand. And this time she gave the order right in the beginning: tip, glass, tip. And when she ordered, she didn't move her lips, means without opening her mouth, without making any sound, she shouted these words, tip, glass, tip, in her mind, in her brain, and just she kept staring on the empty glass. And before she felt that the electricity gathering, means that power was gathering, the power was begin to start, the hotness was coming into the eyeballs, and then the millions of tiny invisible arms with hands on there were shouting out toward the glass. And without making any sound at all, she kept shouting inside her head, inside her mouth, for the glass to go over. Then at that time, Miss Honey's mouth was dropped open, means she was very surprised. Her eyes were stretched. She opened her eyes so widely. She didn't say a word. She couldn't, because it was unbelievable for any normal children to do such a strange thing. The shock of seeing such miracle performed by Matilda had struck her dumb. She cleaned her glasses, she leaned well away from it, like this is something very dangerous. Then she slowly lifted her head and looked toward Matilda, and what did she found? She found that her face was white as a paper. It was trembling all over. The eyes were glanced, staring straight ahead, and was seeing nothing. The whole face was transfigured, means it was completely changed in a beautiful way. Her eyes were glittering, it was round, it was bright, and she was sitting there right speechless. Miss Honey waited. She was trembling a little herself, but watching that child as she was slowly stirring. And then suddenly she asked from her that is everything is all right? Even Matilda asked from Miss Honey, that also ensured Miss Honey that yes, she is absolutely right. There is nothing to be very alert. There is nothing to be alarmed. So at that time, Miss Honey was very surprised. She was very astonished. She was spellbound. But somewhere she was also very happy seeing that this girl has a miracle powers. She has something extraordinary, some peculiar kind of power in her. So at that time, Matilda requested Miss Honey to not to disclose these matters in front of anyone, because nobody else will believe on her. So she has taken promise from Miss Honey that she won't tell this to anybody. The things which she did in the class in front of Miss Honey. And even Miss Honey also assured her that she even won't tell it in dream also, because this is something kept very secretly.
I hope you had liked this inspirational story of Matilda. You can also find a movie based on this novel.
To discuss some question answers. So, question is, describe in your own words how Matilda made the glass tip over. So, without opening her mouth and without any sound, she asked, tip glass, tip. This she has simply whisked in her mind. And she simply shouted the words inside her head. And then she concentrated her mind on the glass and keep shouting inside her mind, inside her head, for the glass to go over. And gradually the glass shopped it, tilted, topped it right over and fell on the table top. So this is how Matilda made the glass tip over. The next question is, you seemed so far away. What did Miss Honey mean when she said these words? So from these words, Miss Honey was actually appreciating the effort and that is extraordinary talent of Matilda. So when Matilda made the glass tip over with her eyes, Miss Honey got highly surprised, and she felt about Matilda that she had some extraordinary powers. She was totally different from other children. So she was very appreciating her, admiring her. The next question of this chapter is, what is so special about Matilda? Why do you think this makes her special? So Matilda had special powers in her. As we have already read in the chapter, she could move objects with her eyes, with all her thoughts, imagination. She used her power only for good reasons. This power was not developed in other children of her age. And that's why this makes her special and extraordinary. The last question for today's session is, even though Miss Honey does not believe Matilda at first, she thinks Matilda the chance to prove herself. What does this say about her? Does this give you confidence that she is just the sort of person of Matilda that confined in? So yes, this says that Miss Honey was a very generous, kind teacher. She knew very well about how to handle children, and she gave them every scope to enhance their skills. Yes, this gives us confidence that she is just the sort of person that Matilda can confine her. So that's all in today's session, students. I hope you find this story very interesting. I recommend you to please read this story once again to know more about it. See you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.